Hi all. Today we are going to see about Opentron Protocol Designer. Opentron is a company that specializes in designing and manufacturing affordable open source lab robots for automating biological research. Their Protocol Designer is a user-friendly tool that allows scientists to create and customize laboratory protocols without needing to write any code. So we are going to design a protocol for DNA size selection using a Opentron OT-2 robot. So let's go to Google. So here and type Opentron. So then you just click on the website, the opentron.com. So this is how the website looks like, and you can see the protocol designer tab here just above the resources tab. So just click on that protocol designer. So this opens a new tab and to design a new protocol. So click on the create new, select the type of the robot. Here we are going with the OT-2 and then click next. So we have to name a protocol. So this is mandatory. So now I am going to type just DNA size selection protocol. So you have, so if you want, you can add the information like description, so organization or author, and then click next. So next step is to select the left pipette. So the pipettes come in different size that can handle 10 to 1000 microliter. So and as per your protocol, you can select the pipettes and its channel. So I am just going with 300 microliter. So 8 channel pipette for my protocol, and then click next. So then next step is to select the tip rack. So we are going with the normal 96 tip rack, the 300 microliter, and then just next. So as mentioned earlier, we need to select the right pipette also, and I am going with the 300 microliter, the single channel Gen 2. So then next here the Opentron OT-2 96 tip rack 300 microliter, and then click next. So again I am selecting. Okay, so after that, if you want any models to perform any specific process, so you can select it here. So like for my DNA size selection protocol, I need a magnetic model Gen 2. Yes. And then click review file details. So this will give you an overall idea about your selected protocol hardwares. So here you see the pipettes and the models that we selected previously. So and our magnetic model is placed in the first position of the OT-2 test here. So and then so we can edit, remove, add the pipettes or models as you like in this step. Also, so next to the bottom right here, so we can see the option continue to liquids. So click on that. So click on the new liquid. So present in the left hand side. Now we need to add all the liquids or chemicals for our protocol. Under the liquid name, so let's type genomic DNA, and under description type mixture of DNA with magnetic beads. So we can select the unique color of our liquids and then click save. To add the another liquid, again click on new liquids and then type 70% ethanol and repeat the procedure as before. I am not going to add any description here, and then click the color and then click save. So now the third liquid, I just add the illusion buffer and then click save. So once we're done with our liquids, click on this design option to your left hand side here. So here we need to arrange the deck positions. So we can see that magnetic model is in the position 1. So I am going to add a lever into this magnetic model. So just click on this add lever. Let's select Nest 96 well played 100 microliter. So if you like, then you can add a nickname. So here I am just adding as DNA BMX. We can move the position so as we wish. So I am going to move this 96 well played tip rack from its current position to its 11th position. So now we need a couple more levers. I am going to add one lever to the 6th position here. So I need Nest 96 well played 200 flat in this position, and I am typing size selected DNA. Okay, so to the 8th position I am going to add Nest 96, sorry, in the weld reservoir. From this weld reservoir we just 12 weld reservoir 15 microliter, sorry, milliliter. So now it's okay after adding it. So now it is the time to add appropriate liquids to its lever. So let's start with the magnetic model. So let's place your cursor again on the first position and then click on name and liquids. Just click and drag to select columns. Once selected, we can specify a liquids here. So we need a genomic DNA and see the record volume as 100 microliter and then click save. So go back and add liquids to your 8th position by repeating the same procedure. For this we just select the first column and then I need 70% ethanol here and the volume is 2000 microliter. Okay, so then click save. Right, I need to add the another liquid. So again I just select another column and I need illusion buffer. So and then volume, I just take 500 microliter. Yes, yeah. So then click save and then go back. So we are now ready with all the essentials. It's time to add the steps. So we will be seeing that in part 2 video. So thank you for listening.